What is the opposite of paranoid? Welcome back to Dungeons and D-Pads. We're talking about paranoia.
Yes, paranoid because Brian doesn't.
Listen,
trust
man.
computers.
Listen, man. They've been out to get me since day one.
Chop, chop.
I'm a big
chop,
man.
chop, chop.
I got a big sword.
Oh my God! Loot.
Loots, quick! Mash the square button.
Mash the square button to run. Here, take this.
Ow!
Axe. I'm sure you can
Fuck!
use it.
Maybe.
I don't know. You are an archer. Let's see.
What? Battle axe.
Archer can use it, but I can't.
Gender roles.
Oh God.
Oh my God.
Sweet animations.
Whatever.
Whatever.
I've been working on the railroad all the live long day.
Aggroed.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
So we're gonna work together on these spiders, right? Because they fucking hurt.
Yes, we will totally work together, and I will not do that other thing that I was talking about doing.
That you did do?
That I was doing. Skabloosh!
Okay. Here we go. Here we go.
We're going. We're going.
Recall.
We're totally going.
Oh God.
Fucking, I'm out of here. Okay, okay. I don't want to die again. Oh God, I'm dying again.
I forgot how to magic.
Oh God, I'm dying. Zach!
Fine.
Zach!
I'll do my majorly duty and
I'm
rid the
scared.
world of spiders.
Is mage just like code name for exterminator?
Yeah.
Yes! Take that, spitters.
Okay, now that was only one room of spiders.
Oh yeah, you know, certainly it'll be easier next time. Dude, this is random ass bloodstain, dude.
Probably a victim of yonder spiders. Dungeons and burps.
Dungeons and bourbon. Dungeons and bourbon. Ooh.
I wish we had some bourbon.
Ooh. I think that would be a grievous error. I mean, we're already bad enough.
Well. Oh, now we're going into a new area, so there's more hard things to kill. Also still eating pretzels.
Nope, there's a cutscene.
What the fuck? I got a big ass whatchamacallit. That doesn't work.
Orc! I'm an orc!
This guy thinks he's so special with his stupid, shiny, spiky helmet.
The fuck is he?
I don't know.
Who the fuck is... Why do I care about these people?
I don't know. Is that blackjack dude?
Who the fuck is that in the prison?
I don't know. Someone we've been, entrusted with saving.
Why did he wrap his basketball in cloth?
Because it was cold.
Why was his basketball cold?
Because they're in the sewers.
Why?
Because they're poor thieves, and that's the stereotype of every video game.
Why?
Why are there jail cells in the sewers?
That is a really good question.
Why did Odin feel it was necessary to rid the earth of the frost giants?
Well, I'm glad you asked me about my religion, Zach.
Yeah, well, I think it'd be kind of cool to meet a frost giant. They can't be that bad. Ew,
Water.
The water's icky. What? So we go through
Oh God, I'm dead.
Oh, fuck me.
Health potion, quick!
I have no more.
Oh my God. Quick.
Wait, no! No! I want to get on top of the boxes and kill the rats with my fire.
Oh, I panicked. I'm not even gonna lie.
Oh my God! My name's Brian and I'm scared.
I am scared. I'm dead. Well, I guess, I can't be scared because I'm dead. Emphasis on the dead. I know, I'm not. I wasn't dead. I was just phase shifted.
Just kidding. I got plenty of potions.
Dick.
Not yet.
Who the fuck is Ethan? Why do I care?
Okay.
Is he, sleeping, sitting up, with his eyes open?
Babbling.
Okay, I give
is
up.
this the guy?
Maybe.
Yep, switch.
Oh, look at this dandy motherfucker. Oh my god, he's got a pipe grafted to his hand. I don't actually care why you came.
Yeah, we don't either.
What about you? What about you?
What do you want? I got no coin to spare, so don't think your begging will make me part with a single copper.
Bye. Fuck you.
Ooh, stairs. My mortal enemy.
Urgh.
Oh. Oops.
Oh wait, I gotta talk to this guy.
I don't care.
Oh. I think he was the shop. We could buy like more potions.
Who needs potions? When you can break barrels and get them.
Okay, that time it made sense to split the rat in half.
Yes, it did. Everything this way. How'd you make the map thing come up?
L1.
Ah!
Fuck you, rat. Fuck you in the face with an axe. With an axe.
Why is my fire green now? Am I a witch?
Probably ought to see a doctor about
Is it
that.
witch fire?
Very.
Am I a Verdmeister?
Oh, fuck. Oh, God. Ow. Quick, run to the thing. Ha ha ha! You can't kill me.
Just fight right here.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll go this way. Ah! Ah!
Do things.
Oh, I'm dead again. Aha!
Ahoy!
Okay, this seems like a serious oversight in game design.
Oh my god, that guy's launching spears at you.
I like take 2 hits and I'm dead. Oh, I'm dead again. I'm not alive. Oh.
Ow!
Yeah, don't die. You're my lifeline.
Bitches.
Who wants to live forever?
Eat fire.
Oh, I cut his head off.
Skaboink. Skaboink.
Oh, and I'm dead again. I'm alive again. And he's dead. Quit moving, you cock-sucking little bastards.
Oh god! Oh god! Someone can level up.
I think it was me. I'm not sure though. Yeah. Oh.
There you go. Do your thing.
Health potion.
Ow! I just need mana potion.
I'm just gonna run straight into that spear thingy. Dude, you're almost dead.
I know.
Get back here.
Oh wait, I have health potion.
Don't be a dick.
Don't be a dick, Dick.
Big dickin' little kobold. Okay. Level up.
Deflect missiles. Toughness.
Intestinal fortitude.
What?
Yeah.
Is that right? What?
Deflect missiles. Dodge. Improves your armor by 1 point.
I like how they call them beats.
I'm gonna go ahead and just go improved critical.
Okay.
Because I think we've all seen what my crits can do.
Fuck you.
Or I'll do that because, you know, I don't know.
Would you like to name?
What, health regen?
No, intestinal fortitude.
Haha, you have no points.
Yeah.
Points are for boys. Yeah. I'm just gonna stand on fire. Oh god, it actually killed me.
Yep.
I'll never rolled the thing.
What a clever contraption. I guess I should revive you.
Well, I guess we have to.
Hey, look, there's a door there.
Door to rats. Hey, now you leveled up.
Why did I level up after you? Oh my god!
Oh, I don't think we split XP evenly. I think it's like whoever gets
kills?
Yeah, the killing blow gets the
Magic missile!
yeah.
Mana region.
Mana Regent.
Yeah, the Regent of Mana, don't you know? He's a nice guy.
Oh my god.
Look at you.
That's so cool.
Alright, let's go.
Durr! It's my special hat.
Waka waka hey.
Waka waka doo doo, yeah. Oh god.
Waka waka doo doo.
I can't see what's going on.
Ah! Be burned by witch fire.
Oh my god. Okay, okay.
Nope. This thing looks like it does something.
Yeah.
Nope, nothing.
I know, it lights you up. Light, not light, light, not light, light, not light, light,
Okay.
not light, light,
Alright.
not light,
Calm
light,
down,
not light,
Brian.
light, 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 light,
Brian.
light on, light off, light on, light
I
off.
swear to
light
God.
on. No. No. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm not going to that smelly ass water.
I am.
Ah.
Oh God. Oh God. You're an asshole.
Deal with it, bitch.
Fine.
Set them on fire, even though they're in water. Oh shit. I'm not much better. That went better than expected.
Yep.
Oh! Yeah!
Whoop.
That's right, chase the pretty lady. Chase the... Ow! You left one, you asshole. Oh shit, no! Go away! Are we just gonna spend the whole game running from everything?
We're playing hard mode. This is Baldur's Gate hard mode. Oh. Ow.
Ugh, I'm dead.
Really?
I'm not very smart.
I was about to be like, really?
I mean, he is in the water. It's kind of weird that you're setting him on fire in the first place. Oh, look, there's my body and everything. Nobody heard that. Dude, you got a fuckload of money.
Yeah, I do. Whoop.
Yeah, you better pot up, boy. It's been a long time since we saved. Oh, he's scared. He's scared. Go for the kill blow.
A coup de grace.
Coup de Gracie.
Dun-na, dun-na, dun-na-na-na, dun-na, dun-na.
He's dead, Jim.
Super dead. Oh.
Jeanette.
Well, no time like the present.
You're gonna get your ass killed, and I'm gonna spike a controller. Run! Run! Ron Howard! Hey, so, I'm still dead over here.
Yep. I'm all aware of that fact.
You're dead too now.
Alright.
Are we officially in fuck this mode?
I don't know. How long have we been watching this video, or doing this video for? 14 minutes? Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, okay, we'll give this one a break.
We'll play this one some other day, maybe.
Yeah,
When we're more competent.
let's do not this. Next time!